As the successor to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to come packed with new features and improvements while retaining the sleek design and impressive performance of its predecessor. There have been a number of leaks and rumors surrounding the Galaxy Watch 6, giving us a glimpse of what we can expect from Samsung's latest smartwatch. From enhanced fitness tracking capabilities to more efficient battery life, the Galaxy Watch 6 looks to be a game changer in the world of wearable technology. In this video, we'll explore some of the latest leaks and expectations for the Galaxy Watch 6, giving you an idea of what to expect from this highly anticipated smartwatch. Samsung's Galaxy Watch series has maintained a distinct appearance by featuring a flat display and a recognizable rotating bezel. Even with the elimination of the physical rotating bezel in recent models, the overall design remained consistent with previous versions. However, it appears that Samsung may be considering a departure from its usual approach with the upcoming generation of its Galaxy smartwatch. According to Ice Universe, it's speculated that the Galaxy Watch 6 may come with a curved glass design. It's important to note that Samsung has previously utilized curved displays in its Galaxy Watch Active series, so the mention of a curved glass design could potentially refer to this aspect of the device. It could potentially give them a more stylish appearance compared to Samsung's current offerings. If Samsung does decide to adopt a curved design, it raises the question of whether the upcoming Galaxy Watch and Pixel Watch may share similar characteristics. Also, according to Sam Mobile, Samsung is planning to move to micro-LED displays for its upcoming Galaxy Watch series. A report from South Korea, Samsung may be expanding the use of its micro-LED technology beyond high-end televisions to include smartwatches. The report suggests that Samsung has already begun the commercialization process for micro-LED in smartwatches. Compared to OLED, micro-LED panels offer substantial enhancements in terms of brightness, contrast ratio, and color reproduction, making them highly visible even under direct sunlight. Additionally, their power efficiency is superior, which can lead to extended battery life for smartwatches. Nonetheless, there's even a pattern from Samsung that indicates the upcoming Galaxy Watch might project the display onto the user's hand. It's unlikely that the Project Smartwatch will be included in the Galaxy Watch 6 series, although there is a small chance that the brand may consider incorporating this feature in their upcoming smartwatches. Here are some things at least we can expect from the upcoming Galaxy Watch series. First, a better use of the temperature sensor. Second, improved battery life. Samsung has managed to beat Apple at introducing a temperature sensor in their Galaxy Watch 5 series. However, this feature has not had a significant impact so far. Unlike Apple's equivalent, which included menstrual cycle tracking from the beginning, Samsung's sensor was initially used only to track patterns during rest and was introduced after the launch. The data collected from the sensor is not readily available for the users to interpret themselves in Samsung Health. As a result, it's not something that can be checked up on the spot, leaving users somewhat underwhelmed by the feature. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro can maintain its features for a good 2 to 3 days before needing a recharge, which is decent battery life. However, the 44mm and 40mm Galaxy Watch 5 may have difficulty lasting beyond a day. Despite this, it's still an improvement over the Google Pixel Watch, which typically can last only for approximately 24 hours. Ideally, we would like to see Samsung's estimated battery life of 40 hours for the Galaxy Watch 5 to increase to 50 or 60 hours in the next version, the Galaxy Watch 6. There is currently no official announcement regarding the release date of the Galaxy Watch 6, however, judging from the previous launch patterns, it's anticipated to be unveiled at a Samsung Unpacked event on or around August 9, 2023. In summary, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch series may come with a curved glass design and feature micro-LED displays. If these rumors hold true, it could result in a more stylish and visually appealing device that offers improved brightness, contrast, color reproduction, and battery life. It will be interesting to see how these potential changes will impact the overall user experience and how they compare to other smartwatches on the market. We'll have to wait and see what Samsung officially announces when the device is released. And that's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.